Oh my word, just wait. I get so excited about these, it's silly. Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. My name is Heather, and today's adventure comes to us from the Great North once again. This request has come from GypsyRose, and she has wondered if you can make homemade French fries in our Deluxe air fryer. Now, if you have a regular air fryer, this will work just as fabulously. You just might have to shake your basket a few times during cooking, but we're gonna use the air fryer basket right here to make beautiful, crispy, and delicious fries. The other thing we're going to do today is we are gonna use a brand new product for 2021, the Rapid-Prep Mandoline from Pampered Chef. Now, again, you don't have to have this to use it, but I thought I have it. I want to show it off. It's new for this season, and boy, is it cool. I cheated just a little bit. I was going to show you the first time I used it, but I was like, oh, let me just see how this thing works. And then I was using it, and I got through one potato, and I was like, y'all need to see this. This is fantastic. So, you ready for this? Let's begin. All right, so the main idea of this video is homemade French fries in our Deluxe air fryer. So what we're gonna need for the French fries is olive oil or canola oil and some seasoning salt. I'm gonna use the Pampered Chef seasoning salt, but you can use any seasoning salt that you wish. So the Rapid-Prep Mandoline comes just like this. It's actually in the box like this. And so when I took it out, I was like, oh, wow, this is kind of cool. So we have our cool little stand so that you can see it stands. And the stand has little suction cups. So it will suction cup to your counter like that. I'll turn it towards you whenever we use it just so that you can see. And then our little basket goes right in the back. And there's a little clip. So see that little clip? You just make sure that that's clipped right in there, and now everything is kind of one piece. Now we have our food chute, and we are going to, there's a little hook there. Oh, let's open it. Dun, dun, dun. So that's where the blade is right there, and it's locked. So when you unlock it, you can see the blade slides up, and when you lock it, it slides down. So I'll leave it locked for a moment while I get my fingers nearby. And here we have the little clip, as you can see, up and down. We're gonna set the food chute in, push the clip up, and now it's ready to be used. Just like that, easy, right out of the box, give it a quick wash, and then you're ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the food chute off and show you this back side. So the back side has a dial. So as you can see here, we have sliced potatoes, like thin sliced potatoes. We have French fries, and we have smaller like juliennes. Today, since we are doing potatoes for French fries, I'm probably gonna have it all the way at the largest setting, but I wanna show you all of the settings just so that we know what we're doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it on 1 and full slice. So that means that everything is going to be whole whenever it comes out of the machine. Right, now we're gonna take our potato, we are gonna put it right in, and we are gonna just start rapid slicing it, okay? So let's do it this way so you can see how this works. And this is on number 1, and it is whole slices of potato that can be used for potato chips. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, now check out how thin and perfect these are. What the what? This is amazing. Look at the uniform, teeny tiny slices of potato. That's fantastic. I'm gonna go ahead and drop them in water so they don't brown, because I am going to make some potato chips, but not in this video. So as you go through the numbers, the slices get thicker and thicker and thicker. All the way on 8, it is the thickest. All right, next we are going to do the French fries. Now, I'm gonna turn our knob. Can you see that? I'm going to turn our knob all the way to the smallest French fry setting to start with, because I want you to see the julienne first. And then we'll go back and we'll do the French fries that you actually want to see. All right, so again, I'm gonna take a potato. We're gonna slide it right into the chute, and we are going to get it going. Perfect, perfect. Look at that. They're beautiful julienne potatoes. See that? Perfect juliennes. Now we are gonna do the French fries that we came here for. So they're gonna be thick, kind of cut fries all the way to number 8. And we are just going to get that bad boy going. So if you don't have a Rapid-Prep Mandolin, this may take you a very long time to do this many potatoes. However, since I have a Rapid-Prep Mandolin, this many potatoes is as easy as this. All right, look at that. All of those potatoes. Oh, let's show you how big they are. See how big they are? Let's do a comparison side by side. This is the thin one, and this is the thick one. So these are the juliennes. Okay, so here we have number 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and look at how those are paper thin. See all the different thicknesses? That is pretty impressive. That right there is the most impressive thing ever. Wow, they're like paper thin noodles. Imagine doing carrots or zucchini or anything like that for things like pad thai or like alternative noodles. That would be nice. All right, and then I'm gonna click back to our French fries and finish off our 5 pounds of potato in no time flat. Because man, there's a lot of French fries to be had here. And just like that, 5 pounds of French fries is ready to go into the air fryer. Wow. All right, time to prepare our fries. So now that we have all of our fries cut, and you definitely can do this with a knife, just get them into fry sizes. We are going to dry them off just a little bit. They don't have to be super dry, but they need to be dry enough so that the oil will stick to them in just a few minutes in our other bowl. So I'm just gonna dry them with a hand towel a little bit, and we're gonna dump them in the bowl. See, they don't have to be super dry, just kind of dry. And we're gonna want about a pound of these fries, give or take. Now we're gonna cover in some oil, and we're gonna give them a little toss. And now we are gonna sprinkle on some seasoning salt. So I'm just gonna sprinkle it on, then give them a good toss and call it good. Okay, those look fantastic. Now we are just going to get them right into the basket of our air fryer. So here we go. So just drop them right in. Drop them all over the place, you know, as we do. And now we are going to lock our basket, and we are going to load it right into our machine. There we go. We are going to hit custom for 10 minutes on 325. Hit go and hit rotate. All right, now that they're in, we will wait 10 minutes. Then at the end of 10 minutes, we are going to get it back in for 18 minutes on air fry or 400 degrees to finish off. So we'll see you back here when that's all done. All right, it's time for them to come out, and I want to tell you a little bit about my barbecue gloves. They're pretty amazing. They work up to 1400 degrees Fahrenheit, 800 degrees Celsius. They're amazing. Those of you with a Deluxe air fryer, you should get yourself a pair of good gloves. They will change your world. You will stop burning yourself on your air fryer. All right, so let's check out our beautiful French fries. See me touching the basket. Wow, look at those. Let's back it up a little bit so you can see. Look at those. Those look fantastic. So, they taste fantastic too, as I'm gonna put some in a beautiful cup. These French fries are so cute. I'm pretty sure you can put more than a pound in there. I'm gonna venture to guess that you could probably put 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds in there. I've put 4 pounds of wings in there, so I'm pretty sure it'd be fine. But this, those are so good. That's fun. Oh yeah, these are good. So what do I think about these? Well, I think they're crispy. They're definitely homemade fries. There's a element about homemade fries that I really love. Some people don't like it very much. They're crispy, but yet they're soft at the same time. They're actually really good. I could eat this whole thing. In fact, I may. But making fries in your air fryer is a really great thing. They're nice and crispy. If you wanted them less cooked, of course, you would just adjust your time, but I'm pretty sure that these are perfect. With your favorite condiment, that's good. So there you have it. I'm gonna pour them out because I shouldn't eat all of them like that, but probably will. Those are good. Those are real good. All right, you guys. Well, if you enjoyed that video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I do videos several times a week, and I'm always looking for the next adventure. So if you have one for me, leave it in the comments below. Thank you, GypsyRose, for suggesting we do French fries. This one was a win. And that Rapid-Prep Mandoline, wow. Do you need one and you don't have a Pampered Chef consultant? I'll hook you up. I'll leave the link in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye, guys. After I eat all these fries.